I'm Brian.
And I'm Stephanie. Did you know that you can replace a period with a semicolon?
Right, but should you?
It's true, though. Semicolons can follow the same grammatical rules as periods. They are full stops. It's possible to swap out the period for a semicolon between these two sentences. Money is power. Money is greed.
But writers are usually told to keep their semicolon use to a minimum, and I tend to agree.
Yeah, but they can be helpful for communicating a relationship between two sentences without having to spell it out. Here, the relationship is but.
It's true, but that's only effective when the two sentences are very closely related, and you want to bring the two ideas closer together.
That's a really good way of thinking about it. If a semicolon is a half breath, a period is more like a full breath between sentences.
Like in music, the period is a whole note, and the semicolon is more like a half or quarter note.
It's also possible to use semicolons in place of commas, but only in the case of complex lists.
True. Look at this list. Can you figure out where the list items are?
The hip-hop subculture is characterized by remixing, also known as sampling, breaking, an athletic street dance, emceeing, the master of ceremonies, who freestyles intros and interludes, and tagging, an antagonistic occupation of private space.
Add semicolons to separate the list items, and we see that the commas in the list are being used to add additional information to the list items itself.
When your list items are long or complex, especially if they include their own punctuation, use semicolons to separate them.
Okay, so now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, let us know whether you prefer a period or a semicolon between these two sentences. Duffy's 1991 ruling on sampling without permission was significant. It completely reshaped hip-hop culture.
Stay cool and keep your comments respectful.
Download the worksheet in the description below for more practice.
And check out your campus writing center, where there are plenty of people who'd love to explore sentence revision with you. Until next time, happy writing!
You got this.